to show you that I care. Until that day, I'll blow kisses in the air. Until that day, I'll blow kisses in the air. Until that day, I'll blow kisses in the air. And send them off to find you all, to tell you that I love you. But what if you don't like getting kisses from people? Because not everybody likes being kissed. So what's another way that we can tell people we love them without kissing? Oh, let's do a high five. Yeah, ready? Until that day, I'll high five in the air. Until that day, I'll high five in the air. Until that day, I'll high five in the air. And send them off to find you all, to tell you that I love you. But what if you don't like high fives? Sometimes it's really hard to match the hands up. So what's another thing we could do? Oh, we could do feet. Ready? Let's stomp our feet, okay? Until that day, I'll stomp my feet real loud. Until that day, I'll stomp my feet real loud. Until that day, I'll stomp my feet real loud. And send it off to find you all, to tell you that I love you. Thank you for singing with me. Okay, it's time to read another story. Today we are going to read I Really Like Slop by Mo Willems. La 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 la. Oh, it looks like Piggy cooked something. Hi, Gerald. Hi, Piggy. Yikes! Oh, how does it look like Gerald's feeling? It looks like he thinks something's really gross. I wonder what it could be. What is that? This is slop. Slop? Yummy, yummy slop! Oh, Piggy really likes slop, doesn't she? Yummy? You eat that? Does it look like Gerald thinks it seems yummy? No, it doesn't look like he likes it. Sure, I eat this. Pigs really, 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 really like slop. Eating slop is part of pig culture. Oh. Should it smell like that? Pop! Yes. Oh. Does it look like it smells very good, do you think? I guess it depends on who you ask. What about all of those flies? Is it usually a good sign if your food has flies flying all around it? No, usually you don't want to eat food covered in flies. The flies are how you know that it's ripe. Do you want to try my slop? Do I want to try your slop? What do you think? Does it look like Gerald wants to try her slop? No way! He definitely does not want to try her slop, does he? Oh! Okay. How does Piggy feel? She looks really sad. How would you feel if you were eating something that you like so much, your favorite type of peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and your best friend said, "That is so gross, how do you eat that?" Yeah, that doesn't feel very good, does it? No. So Piggy wanted to share something that's really special to her that she really loves with her best friend. And he wasn't very kind about it. Walk, 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 walk. What is Gerald feeling now? I think he realized he made Piggy really sad. Piggy, wait! Yes, Gerald, I will try your slop. Yay! Maybe you will really like slop. Maybe. Do you think he's going to like it? Do you ever know if you're actually going to like a food before you try it? Sometimes we might think we know, but oftentimes you can't tell until you've actually tried it. Try a big taste. I will try a small taste. Pluck. That is a small taste. Can you see it? It's like the size of a little pea. You are close to trying slop. You are closer. Closer. Bing. You tried it. Spicy, huh? Do you know how I get that old shoe taste? Old shoes! So, do you really like slop? What do you think? Did Gerald like it? Yeah, I don't think he did. But what should he tell Piggy? Should he tell her that he liked it so he doesn't hurt her feelings? Or should he tell her how he really felt and possibly make her feel sad? Let's see what he does. No, I do not really like slop. But I am glad I tried it. Because I really like you. Oh, Gerald. How does Piggy feel now? She looks like she's feeling pretty happy. But he told her the truth that he didn't like it. And it didn't make her sad. Because sometimes you can still tell people the truth, but you can say it in a kind way that doesn't hurt their feelings. Because it's okay that Piggy likes slop. He doesn't have to like it. Everybody has their own tastes. Dessert? What is she trying to give him for dessert? It's some old fish bones. Don't push it, bub. And then, can you find the pigeon hiding in the back again? Yeah, I see pigeon right here. They say, not bad. The end. And now I want to introduce you to another friend who is going to talk to us about something that they are an expert on.
I'm making a sandwich, and it's called the Nutella sandwich / birthday cake. And I'm going to take a piece of bread and then the Nutella bottle that's so heavy. I spread out the Nutella so I have a lot of space for all my decorations. And I should wash my hands after this thing. Nutella. I don't know, but I'm spreading a lot of Nutella everywhere because my hands are really dirty. And that's how you make my Nutella sandwich / birthday cake.
Wasn't that so neat? Thank you so much. And thank you all for being here with me today. I'll see you next time.